What's up, everybody? You tune into Rightfully Structured. I don't really have anything particular to talk about, but I do want to touch on one subject. Just basically getting out, trying to enjoy life. Don't always have to do big things just to, understand and appreciate, what life has for us for real. It's the small things a lot of times. Like right now, this is beautiful. Just out here sitting, taking in the view, smells, everything. Grounding myself, just truly appreciating, the time that I have to just, understand that everything is not just about a job or, the things that we look at as top tier important in our life. It's always, sometimes it's bigger than that. Enjoying yourself, spending time with the ones you love, that's like one of the main keys. Can't get too caught up in the job and you don't have time to do this, you don't have time to do that, because you need money to do things. But what happens when something happens and now you can't work or you can't provide? Now you wasted all this time investing in trying to make the money, thinking that was more important. But now you forced to do something that you should have been doing, is actually taking the time to value your life. And you don't want that to happen. You actually want that to unfold. Let me back off a little bit. It's a little family. You want to let that unfold on good terms. You don't want those type of things to happen on bad terms. I don't know. I just take the time to just really look at things from a different standpoint. Showing gratitude, appreciation for all I have, my lessons, everything. I appreciate everything, because without the lessons, the experience, then I wouldn't be where I'm at right now. I wouldn't have the knowledge that I have right now. That's pretty much it. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't had the chance to check out my other videos, please do so. But till next time, take care.